Hey everyone, this is Ace here from Ace Spatula, and today we're gonna make some spicy, tangy chicken wings with tamarind sauce. Now this sauce goes well with seafood, and so you can throw some clams and with Thai basil with this sauce, or you can do some type of crab stir fry. And so let's look at the ingredients. So obviously we have our chicken wings right here, and now we have our cornstarch here for our dredge, and also part of the dredge is our black pepper, some salt, and some chicken bouillon. And for the sauce, we obviously have some tamarind pulp, some jalapenos. Obviously you can take out the seed to make it less spicy, garlic, shallots, ginger, and some brown sugar, this sauce. And for the topping slash garnish, we have some garlic that we're going to make some fried garlic bits. And we're going to make some peanuts and scallion oil. So here's the scallion and peanuts. And the next step is probably to dredge the wings. So due to time constraints, I already dredged with cornstarch and put the seasoning, the black pepper, salt, and chicken bouillon. And all I did is mix it together and just let it sit and marinate for at least 30 minutes. And so that's how we dredge the wings. And the next step is probably to make the sauce. First step of making the sauce is to soak the tamarind block. So we're gonna pour some hot water to let it soak and let it be more malleable for us. After that's done soaking, we can start chopping the garlic. First thing, we're gonna chop the garlic for our fried garlic first. We're gonna scoop some of it out. The reason why we're chopping this first, so we can get it out of the way, then we can start actually making the sauce. Some of this. So we're gonna save the garlic for later, and to fry it. And then we have some other garlic, and we're gonna use this to actually make the sauce. Throw some jalapenos in here, ginger, shallots. Start chopping. So it should look like this consistency. And next step is to stir fry. All right, pour some oil in the pan. Then we'll grab our paste and throw it in. We're going to saute this. We're going to saute this until it's brown. After we're done browning, we're going to add the fish sauce. the tamarind paste and water. We're going to strain the seeds later after we're done making the sauce. Okay, done doing that. Then we're also going to add some brown sugar as well. Mix thoroughly. After the sauce reaches this consistency, we can strain out the sauce. Now, if I ate this by myself, I personally would not strain the sauce because I'm too lazy. But if you want to impress that loved one or eat with family, I suggest just straining the sauce. Let's cut to that. Okay, so here we have a bowl and a strainer. So we're gonna pour the sauce in. Okay, and just strain it out. Okay, I'm done straining out the sauce. Let's make the topping. As you can see here, I'm smashing the peanuts with a knife, then throwing it in the air fryer at 455 degrees for 5 minutes. Watch the peanuts carefully or else it will burn. Now we'll throw some oil in to fry the garlic to make the fried garlic bits. Now obviously I'm going to use the chopstick trick to test how hot the oil is. See here? If it's bubbling like this, then you can throw in the garlic. And careful, watch for it also burn. Now once it starts browning like this, you need to take it out of the oil before it burns. Now with the fried garlic pieces, while it's still hot, you're going to add some salt to it. And the oil from the garlic, while it's still hot, we're going to put it on top of the fried onions. And let's throw the peanuts in first. Peanuts. Once we throw in all the peanuts right here, we're going to pour the hot oil. Stir around the peanut and shallot oil to make sure it's well combined. And all that's left to do after you're done mixing is to make the wings. So I made sure the oil is hot enough by using a chopstick, or you can use a wooden spoon. You're going to fry the wings until it's golden brown, which takes 10 to 15 minutes, and the wings should look like this. Make sure there's a cooling rack with parchment paper to drain the excess oil from the wings. After frying, use the same bowl where you strained the sauce. Add the tamarind sauce. Then add the wings. Now you can throw in the peanuts and the green onion oil. Mix the wings until it's well incorporated and well coated. All there's left to do is plate up the wings and garnish it with fried garlic. And that's the dish. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for new videos.